Probably a lot of wind noise in the moment because the internal microphone, okay? And yeah, the water makes a different noise today because we have a low water situation here. And let me show you. It's different now. It makes the noise. He wants to go in there to look why it's so bubbly. Oh, are we right in the way here or what? He sees the ducks over there at the end waiting, but yeah, as I said, low water and that makes that noise. Let's see if we can go over here a little bit. So I do feel that the water over there is going behind the rocks that secure the bridge there. That's what I think could happen there. Other than that, he is watching for something. How is it, Echo? So I just thought I sit down for a second here at this bench, and then I'm just sitting here, so the wind is coming from that direction and all the dog shit out of that garbage can here is coming at me. So I have to go somewhere else. Come on. Let's go. Look, there's 3 garbage cans with shit in it and the wind is coming on the wrong direction. There's nowhere you can sit right. Where are we going? There's the bench back there. Let's go over there. Like all the way back there. No, you can't go there. Nope. That's the wrong place to go. If you go to there, then you're too close to the street. And if you go after the squirrel, it will drive you into the street. And you don't want to go there, believe me. Those cars would run you over in no time. Even though I'm pretty sure you would leave a big dent. I don't remember if we have lens flares in the GoPros, or if there is some kind of electronics in there that some kind of magic that prevents lens flares from happening. Maybe not. Look at this. It's pretty good, right? Oh. Echo, what's the verdict? Echo, what's the verdict? What are you saying? Is this a good camera or not?